In this video, we review one of the best product available in the market today. We will show you the specifications and key features of the product. First, let's see the specs of the product.
This winter, will you suffer from headaches, concentration problems, dry and cracked skin, itchy dry eyes or dry nose lining? Most likely, your house heating is over-drying your indoor air and causing all of these symptoms. That's why you need a Venta air washer. An air washer corrects air humidity by evaporation. Look, these discs act as collection plates, picking up water from the unit's reservoir. The dry room air moves over the plates and picks up moisture and then exits back into your room, correcting any dryness, leaving the air refreshed and invigorating. But here's where your air washer is superior to a plain humidifier or vaporizer. While it quietly humidifies, the discs trap any airborne bacteria, dirt and allergens from your room. Since these particles can't evaporate, only humidified and purified air is free to exit back into your room. So say goodbye to colds and cough bacteria transmission. Venta air washers give you perfect humidity, but with so much more. They never over-humidify. They don't use messy filters. They trap airborne bacteria. They don't produce white dust. And they're made in Germany, which is why an air washer lasts and lasts. For a lifetime, in fact. Venta Air Washer, the original patented by Venta in 1982.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.